Example 3, group data. For the following frequency distribution, find first 4 central moment. Here, X-ray observation is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and frequency Fi is given 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. First of all, we will write in table form Xi, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and frequency Fi, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. Now we take the sum of frequency, we get value n is equal to 40. After finding this value, we will multiply frequency into observation, that is xi, that is fi into xi, fi into xi. We will multiply this. So here 0 into 7, we get value 0. 1 8s are, that is equal to your 8. 2 9s are, that is equal to 18. 3 10s are, that is equal to your 30. 4 6 are, that is equal to 24. Now after multiplying this, we have to take the sum of fi into xi, we get value 80. After finding this, we will put in the formula of mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi divided by n. Here sigma fi into xi, that is equal to 80 and your n is number of observation, that is equal to 40. So 80 by 40, we get value 2. After finding mean, we will find xi minus x bar. Your xi is here. So 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 2, that is equal to your 0. 3 minus 2, that is equal to your 1. And 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now we'll take the sum of xi minus x bar, we get value 0. After finding this value, we'll find fi into xi minus x bar. So here we'll multiply fi into xi minus x bar, that is this value will multiply by this. So 7 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 14. 8 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 8. 9 into 0, that is equal to 0. 10 into 1, that is equal to 10. Then 6 into 2, that is equal to your 12. After multiplying, we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar, we get value 0. Now we'll put in the first center moment formula, that is mu1 is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar divided by n. Here sigma fi into xi minus x bar, that is equal to 0. So now we put in the formula 0 by 40, we get answer 0. And now we'll find second central moment. For that we have to find xi minus x bar whole square. So here xi minus x bar into xi minus x bar. So minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. Minus 1 square, that is equal to 1. 0 square, that is equal to your 0. 1 square, that is equal to 1. Then 2 square, that is equal to 4. Now we'll take the sum of xi minus x bar whole square. We get value 10. So after finding xi minus x bar whole square, we'll find fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So here fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So we multiply this into this. So here 7 into 4, we get answer 28. 8 into 1, that is equal to 8. Then 9 into 0, that is equal to 0. Then 10 into 1, that is equal to 10. And 6 into 4, that is equal to your 24. After multiplying all the values, we will take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar whole square. We get 70 answer. Now we'll put in the formula of second central moment, that is mu2 is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. Here sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square, that is equal to 70 and n is equal to 40. So we'll put in the formula mu2 is equal to 70 by 40. We get 1.75. Now we'll find third central moment. For that, we have to first apply xi minus x bar whole cube. So here we'll multiply xi minus x bar into xi minus x bar whole square. This. So minus 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8. Minus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. Then 0 into 0, that is equal to your 0. 1 into 1, that is equal to your 1. Then 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. So after multiplying all the values, we'll take the sum of xi minus x bar whole cube, that is equal to your 0. After that, we'll find frequency into, that is fi into xi minus x bar whole cube. So here xi minus x bar whole cube into frequency. So here this value is multiplied by this value. So 7 into minus 8, that is equal to minus 56. 8 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 8. 9 into 0, that is equal to 0. 10 into 1, that is equal to your 10. 6 into 8, that is equal to 48. Now we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar whole cube. We get value minus 6. So now after finding this value, we'll put in the formula of third central moment. Mu3 is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole cube divided by n. And here sigma Fi into xi minus x bar whole cube, that is equal to minus 6, and your n is equal to 40. So we'll put in the above formula, minus 6 divided by 40, we get minus 0.15. For force center moment, we have to first find Fi into xi minus x bar is to power 4. For that, we have to multiply xi minus x bar whole square into Fi into xi minus x bar whole square. That is 4 into 28, that is equal to 112, that is 112. 1 into 8, that is equal to 8. 0 into 0, that is equal to your 0. 1 into 10, that is equal to your 10. 4 into 24, that is equal to 96. Now we take the sum of Fi into xi minus x bar raised to power 4, we get value 226. So after finding this value, we will put in the formula of force central moment, that is mu force is equal to sigma Fi into xi minus x bar raised to power 4 divided by n. Here sigma Fi into xi minus x bar raised to power 4, that is equal to 226, and n is equal to here 40. So we'll put in the formula of force center moment mu force is equal to 226 divided by 40, we get 5.65. So here is a summary given that of first force center moment. First center moment, that is equal to mu1 is equal to 0. Second center moment, mu2 is equal to 1.75. Mu3 is equal to, that is third center moment, that is equal to minus 0.15. And fourth center moment, mu4 is equal to 5.65.